In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin messages in Slack. Pinning messages is a simple way to keep important information at your fingertips, whether it's a key update, a to-do, a link, or a decision you want the whole conversation to remember. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pin a message and what to expect after you do. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com. Sign into your workspace if you're prompted. If you prefer the desktop app, the steps are essentially the same, so follow along either way. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on DMs. You can pin messages in channels as well, but for this walkthrough, we'll focus on a direct message. This is helpful for keeping private threads organized, especially when you're tracking action items or sharing files that need to be referenced later. Choose the conversation you want to work in by clicking it in your DM list. Let the conversation load, then locate the exact message you want to pin. It might be a note you typed, a message from someone else, or even a file attachment or link. Hover your mouse over that message to reveal its quick action icons, then click the three dots, often labeled More Actions. This opens a menu with several options tailored to that message. From that menu, click Organize. This groups actions that help you tidy and manage the conversation. It's a small but important step that brings up the option you need next. Now click Pin to this conversation. The moment you do, Slack marks that message as pinned. You'll typically see a small pin indicator and the message will be added to the conversation's pinned list. Pinned items are visible to everyone who has access to that conversation, so they're great for shared context and quick reference. If you don't see the pin option, your workspace admins may have limited who can pin messages, or the menu may be slightly different based on your Slack plan or updates. In that case, try again on desktop or check with an admin to make sure you have permission. A few tips to keep things tidy. Pin only what truly matters so the list stays useful. Avoid pinning sensitive information. And when a pinned item is no longer relevant, open the same three-dot menu on that message and unpin it to keep the conversation organized. That's all it takes. Open Slack, go to DMs, pick the conversation, open the three-dot menu on the message, choose Organize, and select Pin to this conversation. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.